Ma'am, recording is start.
Okay, first question. What is meant by drainage system or drainage pattern? Name the types of drainage pattern found in Indian rivers. First you have to answer it, afterwards I will be answering you how you have to write. Okay, who will answer it? Who is answering? Boys? Anyone? Okay. So how you will write? First, if you want to write the answer, first you want to write
मैम
the
डिस्टरबेंस
answer.
बहुत आ रहा है आपके माइक में से।
हाँ बेटा वेट. Okay. How you will write? First you will be highlighting the topic drainage system, and then how you will be writing what is drainage system. So you have in simple words you will be note down in your one book. Oh, I am giving you keywords this way then you can make your own words and write the answers. So all the boys you are noting. Study of river pattern of a region. What is drainage system? Study of river pattern of a region. Written, boys.
मैम आप लिखा रहे हो कि पूछ रहे हो?
Means if you want to note down you can write it. That keywords you can write it how to write long question answers. Because your exams you have to write in supplementary. That's
यस।
why. So study of river pattern of a region is known as drainage system. So how you will be remembering different patterns? Study of river pattern of a region. Study of river pattern of a region. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is drainage pattern. What is drainage pattern? So natural arrangement of a river and his tributaries. Natural arrangement of a river and her tributaries. Then you can write it whole sentence in your own words. The natural arrangement of a river and her tributaries is known as drainage pattern. Yes? This keyword only you. What is drainage pattern? How you will be remembering? Natural arrangement of a river and her tributaries. Written.
मैम ये लिखने का है?
Then only you can learn long question answer. What ये लिखने का है? Okay, who will tell what is drainage system? What is drainage system? Who will tell?
Region is known as drainage.
But I don't get your voice. Who will say?
क्या मैम?
Pattern of
What is drainage
is
system?
the drainage system.
कैन आई से मैम?
Yes, Mohammed Abbas.
The study of river pattern of a region is known as the drainage system.
Okay, now drainage pattern.
The natural arrangement of a river and a tributaries is called the drainage pattern.
So learn these 2 points. In one answer we have learned 2 points. Now we will next question in that only you are asked. Name the types of drainage pattern found in Indian rivers. Yes?
Dendritic, rectangular, radial, and trellis.
Yes, dendritic, rectangular, trellis and centrifugal. These are the patterns of drainage system. So whole answer. Now I am asking you whole answer. What do you mean by drainage system and drainage pattern? Name the types of drainage pattern found in Indian rivers. Can
Can I
you
say,
speak
ma'am?
it better? What do you
Can I,
mean by
can I
drainage
say, ma'am?
system and drainage pattern? Name the types of drainage pattern found in Indian rivers. So we have make a part, three parts we have make it. Now tell me full answer.
Can I say, ma'am?
Yes.
Drainage system. The study of river pattern of a region is known as a drainage system. Drainage pattern. The natural arrangement of a river and her tributaries is called a drainage pattern. Drainage pattern of Indian rivers are four types. Number one, dendritic. Number two, radial. Number three, trellis, and number four, rectangular.
Any other boys?
Ma'am,
I am
can I,
teaching you how to write and don't tell me I can't read this short question answers. Huh?
ma'am, can
मैम
I,
वो
Sorry, Rampal.
लॉन्ग में शॉर्ट है मैम वो
Long.
गंगा रिवर सिस्टम और वो कराओ ना मैम
That one by one it will come, beta. One by one. Okay, who was telling can I? Okay, Mohammed Saqib. Start.
study of river pattern of a region is known as drainage system. Natural arrangement of a river and her tributaries is called the drainage pattern. Drainage pattern are of four types: dendritic, rectangular, trellis, and centrifugal.
Okay, Rehan Sayed. Sayed Rehan. Can you? Okay. Next question. Explain river basin and water divide. Explain river basin and water divide. Can anyone? Or I have to only speak? I only have to speak better? Okay. First you will write what is river basin. So
कैन
you
आई
can
से
write
मैम
an area led by a river and its tributary is known as river basin. So which words you have to remember? Area of land by a river and his tributaries. That is river basin. Then
यस
these tributaries are going into different direction and meeting. So different direction and meeting. Who tributaries? Remember this much. Next, where they are emptied in flatlands, water reservoir, sea or desert. This way, this system of area is known as river basin. Yes, and then example you have to write. Got it? Got it, beta? Boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you? Anyone can speak? Then you can.
Tributaries come from different direction and meet. Rivers is emptied into a flatland, water divisor, sea or a desert is known as a river basin. Amazon River is the largest river basin in the world.
Understood what is river basin? How you can write? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, water divide. Water divide means the flow of water from one another which it is separating. Okay, flow of river from one another which it is separating is called water divider.
Water divide.
Okay, can anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Mountain or upland separate the flow of water from one another is called water divide.
Okay. So whole answer how you will be writing? Whole answer you will write. How you will be writing? Can you merge and tell me, beta? What is river basin and water divide? Mohammed Abbas.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me how you will be writing?
Ma'am, a river basin uh, is an area of land and the river and its tributaries. The rivers, along with its
Beta,
tributaries,
don't you see and speak. How I will taught you. Tell me the keywords only. That how you will be remembered. That I want. You can do like that way.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, you can.
Area of land drained by a river and its tributaries, which tributaries come from different directions and meet. A river is emptied into a flat land, water, river, sea, or a desert. It is called river basin. Amazon River is the largest river basin in the world, and Ganga is the largest river basin in India. Water divide. Mountain outlets separate the flow of water from one another. It is called water divide.
Yes, got it.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Now explain the different types of river patterns in India. Explain the different types of river patterns of India. So how many are there? Four. So first you remember dendritic. From the word you only come to know. Dendritic means branches. Branches, shape of branches, yes, and making meeting other tributaries. It's dendritic. Trellis means yeah, uh, they are starting from mountainous region and going by slopes. That's why it is trellis. Rectangular means they are making right angle shapes, and radial means from one river we are meeting so many rivers. That is radial. So can anyone speak?
Uh, you have not ticked.
But I am teaching you all question answers one by one. So if I have not teach, but you can just now have give you keywords. So how you will make it the answer?
Uh, Indian rivers are divided into four parts. Dendritic pattern, trellis, rectangular, and radial. Dendritic pattern, arrangement of the river and its tributary make a shape of the branches of a tree. Ganga River is a dendritic pattern, trellis pattern. The streams starting from the mountain and meet one another due to the slopes. They make snake-like shape. It is called trellis pattern. Many streams of Himalayan mountains meet Himalaya near from a trellis pattern, rectangular pattern. Main river and its tributary meet each other at right angles. It is called rectangular pattern. River flowing through rift valleys for such river rectangular river system. Radial centrifugal pattern. The river flow outwards from any central hilly region. Saurashtra rivers are in radial pattern.
Okay, good. Any other boys? Mohammed Abbas, can you try? Kitani or Nanyani? Can you try beta? Boys, if you are not answering, then no need of revision, no beta. Rehan, Hizan, Mohammed Abbas, Mohammed Raza. Shape. Asad Raja, Yasin, Rehan Muni, Mandra Rehan, Sadi Gujarati, no one. So I will be stopping here. Okay. So when we reach to Ganga river system and that all at that time you don't tell me ma'am how to learn it. I'm teaching you how to learn the long question answers. Can anyone answer it? Boys. Mohammed Abbas,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer it? Different patterns.
Dendritic pattern, rectangular pattern, trellis pattern, and radial pattern.
Can explain it how? Why it is known as dendritic? Which word I told you? Making a shape of branches and meeting another river that is called dendritic pattern. Speak. Speak.
The arrangement of river and
No one? No one beta? Okay, next. Very important question. If you want to listen, you can. Otherwise, don't tell me, ma'am, I have not learned this question. Okay? Explain the flow of a river in various sections or different stages of river. So how many stages of river are there, beta?
Two.
No, three.
Sagar Badri.
Hmm?
Upper course, middle course, lower course.
Okay. Now, in detail that you have to explain. So how you will be explaining? By different course. Upper course. So upper course there it will be starting from mountainous river. Yes. As it will be starting from mountainous region, there will be lots of energy. Why? Because there will be slopes. So with huge volume, it comes down to the middle course. Remember this verse, boys.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is upper course? Can anyone?
Middle course means the river flows slowly, but it's spreaded.
Okay. Now what is middle course? Middle course means rivers flow slowly because it comes from upper, so there will be lots of energy. Now by coming down there will be slow energy and it is spread over wide, so sedimentation will be muddy. Got it? Got it? Can anyone
Yes,
start?
river flows slowly and spreads on a wide area.
So in that we have having two parts, that is formation of meanders and formation of lakes in middle course. So how meanders are formed? So it is coming from upper side. Yes, there may be sideway motions. Yes, as there will be sideway motions. Wait a second, beta. As there is sideway motions, the small loops will be formed as the shape of horseshoe that is called meanders. Got it, beta? Got it, boys?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Then how lakes are formed? Lakes are formed because there will be too much of water. Okay, in some places, due to that, impact of flood will be there. So due to this, we have made main channel that is called lake. Got it, boys? Got it,
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Mohammed Abbas, Rehan, Khizar, Orsh, Danyani, Rehan Muni, Rehan Mundra, Rehan Sayyad. You have decided that you will not answer. Khetani, Yasmin, Musai Mohammad Raza, Asad Raza. Say yes or no. I don't want to ask you questions. Say me yes or no.
Yes,
Other boys. Next is lower cost. What is lower cost? Lower cost means directly amount. We take a example of. I tell you, we can take example of in water park you are having slides. Yes. So take the example of
yes,
that. So from upper side you are having full force. With lots of energy you are coming down. When you come down, you are falling in the water. Same way. Here, mouth is there. At the end of the river, what it is there? Mouth it is there. At the end of the journey, with a high volume you came, there will be low energy and this way all river will be wide and deep. Got it?
ma'am.
Okay. So now three courses who will be explaining and then it is formed as delta. Due to delta, there will be muddy area also. They are meeting one river will meet to another that is tributaries, and their delta will be forming triangular shape. So, who will be explaining three courses?
Can I explain?
Yes.
Upper coast. Upper coast starts from mountain region with lot of energy which causes intense erosion. Middle coast flows slowly and spread on a wide area. The middle course have two parts, Menders and lakes. In Menders, the river changes to sideway motion and it changes side to right side or a left side. In lakes, it cut off from the main channel. The cutoff loop is called an oxbow lake. Then third, lower course. In lower course, the head of the river is called the mouth, and in lower course, the water comes in a high volume and down its sediments and its energy became low. Then formation of delta. There is often a river delta. Delta is a highly fertile triangular shaped plain. Ma'am, done.
Ha ha. Any other words? Very good. Anyone? Boys, are you understanding? Boys. Khizar. Khizar, unmute your mic first. Chalo. Khizar. Khetani. Fast unmute your mic.
Miss,
I have explained it. Have you understood?
Yes.
What you have understood? What I have taught?
You got wrong answer in the third way.
Which answer just now I have taught?
First answer.
What?
First answer.
No. Where were you? Which answer I have taught you just
फर्स्ट
now?
आंसर तो किया है.
No. I have came to third answer. Which topic I have taught? Chalo.
Topic
So I think so that you don't
system.
what?
Net system.
No. That was the first answer.
वही तो आपने
Okay,
किया है.
mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mohammad Raza. Mohammad Raza. Mohammad Raza, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
I am asking Mohammad Raza, not Mohammad Abbas. Okay. Which topic I have taught? Which topic I have taught, Mohammad Raza? Musani Mohammed. Mute your mic, Mohammad Raza. Musani Mohammed. Okay, Mohammad Abbas. Mohammad
Yes,
Abbas.
ma'am.
Which topic I taught?
Social.
I think so that I am asking a topic. I am not asking a subject.
Drainage system.
In that which topic I have taught?
Long answer.
In that